Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use UPBASE for software development projects in this full 2025 guide. The first step is to create a new project on UPBASE. This is simple. Just click on the New Project button and give it a suitable name. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space to manage and organize our software development tasks. Now that we've done that, it's time to add your team members. You can do this by clicking on the Add Members button and entering their email addresses. It's important to add your team members because UPBASE is all about collaboration and keeping everyone on the same page. Next up, we'll set up our project board. You can customize your project board to suit your workflow by adding different stages like To Do, In Progress, and Completed. This helps us because it allows us to visualize our workflow and keep track of our tasks. Now, let's add some tasks. Click on the New Task button, add a description, assign it to a team member, and drag it to the appropriate stage on your project board. The reason we do this is to break down our project into manageable tasks and assign responsibility to each team member. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you do this. UPBASE is creating a database of all your tasks and keeping track of their progress. It's also notifying each team member about their assignments and deadlines. Finally, use the chat feature to communicate with your team members. You can discuss tasks, ask questions, and share updates. This is important because clear communication is key in any software development project. And there you have it, a quick guide to using UPBASE for software development projects. Remember, UPBASE is a powerful tool that can streamline your workflow and boost your team's productivity. Get started today, and happy coding!